Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing workspace and tools so you don't fumble during delicate steps. Once ready, power off and remove both ear cups. This exposes the screws and wiring. Use a spudger to lift caps and a small Phillips or tri-wing driver to remove fasteners, keeping screws labeled by location. Make sure to photograph cable routing and connector orientation before disconnecting anything, because that visual reference prevents mistakes when you reassemble. This saves time and avoids stress later. Once the ear cups are off, locate and remove the headband mounting screws while supporting the old headband. These often hold tension springs or washers, so keep components paired. Next, gently disconnect any internal ribbon or wire harness. Use the connector latch, not wire pulls, because cable damage is common. Once free, compare the replacement headband's mounting points and cable channels to the originals. If they differ slightly, note how the wires will route so you can replicate strain relief and avoid pinching when you install the new part. You reinstall by routing cables exactly as before, seating connectors fully, and aligning the new headband with the same washers or springs. Tighten screws progressively and evenly so alignment stays true. Once assembled, reattach ear cups and power on to test audio, mic, and fold mechanics. If everything works, finish with final torque. If not, power off and reopen. A key troubleshooting tip: if you hear nothing or have noise, make sure the ribbon/harness is fully seated and that no wire is pinched under mounting points before you tighten screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.